The Tiger Who Came to Tea by Judith Kerr. Adapted for theatre by Eleanor Harbour, 5D. Once there was a little girl called Sophie, and she was having tea with her mummy in the kitchen. Suddenly there was a ring at the door.
Ding dong!
Sophie's mummy said, I wonder who
that could be. It can't be the milkman, because he came this morning. And it can't be the boy from the grocer, because this isn't the day he comes. And it can't be Daddy, because he's got his key. We better open the door and see.
Sophie opened the door, and there was a big, furry, stripy tiger. The tiger said, Excuse me, but I'm very hungry. Do you think I could have tea with you? Sophie's mummy said.
Of course, come in.
So the tiger came into the kitchen and sat down at the table. Sophie's mummy said,
Would you like a sandwich?
But the tiger didn't take just one sandwich. He took all the sandwiches on the plate and swallowed them in one big mouthful. Oh. And he still looked hungry, so Sophie passed him the buns. But again, the tiger didn't just eat one bun. He ate all the buns on the dish. And then he ate all the biscuits and all the cake until there was nothing left to eat on the table. So Sophie's mummy said,
Would you like a drink?
And the tiger drank all the milk in the milk jug and all the tea in the teapot. And then he looked round the kitchen to see what else he could find. He ate all the supper that was cooking in the saucepans and all the food in the fridge and all the packets and tins in the cupboard. And he drank all the milk and all the orange juice and all Daddy's beer and all the water in the tap. Then he said, Thank you for my food, but I am still hungry. Oh well, I guess I'll eat you instead.